How to fix Facebook pixel error. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps. Here search only for Facebook. Open Facebook like this and go to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. Also click on clear cache and go back. Click on force stop and click OK. Here as you see, remove permission if app is unused. Turn off it like I'm doing now and turn on it again, and that's it. Your Facebook will work correctly. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.